What if I told you that in 2026, you can start an online business using AI tools that do most of the work for you? Right now, people are making money by creating AI art, voiceovers, videos, and digital products, sometimes without any technical skills. And the crazy part? Some of these tools can finish hours of work in just minutes. So in this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools you can use to start making money online in 2026. These tools are beginner-friendly, powerful, and already being used by creators around the world. Let's get started. 1. Midjourney. Make money with AI art. The first tool is Midjourney, one of the most popular AI art generators right now. Midjourney allows you to create high-quality artwork just by typing a simple prompt. For example, you could type something like, "Futuristic cyberpunk city at night with neon lights." Within seconds, the AI generates stunning images. So how can you make money with this? One popular method is selling digital art on Etsy. Many creators sell printable wall art that customers download and print at home. Another option is print-on-demand products. Upload your AI designs to platforms like Redbubble or Merch by Amazon and sell them on t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and posters. You can also create YouTube thumbnails or book covers for clients. The best part? You don't need to be an artist at all. 2. 11 Labs. AI voiceovers. The second AI tool is 11 Labs, one of the most realistic AI voice generators available today. This tool converts text into natural-sounding voiceovers that sound incredibly human. You simply paste your script, choose a voice, and the AI generates the audio instantly. So how can this make you money? One popular strategy is faceless YouTube channels. Many creators run channels where they never show their face. They use AI voiceovers combined with stock footage to create videos. Popular niches include motivation, finance, technology, history. Another opportunity is offering voiceover services on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Businesses constantly need voiceovers for ads, explainer videos, and social media content. 3. InVideo, AI video creation. Next on the list is InVideo, an AI video creation platform. With InVideo, you can generate professional videos just by typing a prompt. For example, you could enter, "Create a video about the benefits of meditation." The AI can generate scripts, visuals, clips, subtitles, and background music automatically. You can use it to start a YouTube channel, create TikTok or Instagram Reels, or even offer video editing services to businesses. Many small businesses need social media videos, but don't know how to create them. That's where you can step in. 4. Chat. GPT, AI content assistant. The fourth tool is ChatGPT, one of the most powerful AI assistants available. ChatGPT can help you write scripts, generate ideas, create blog posts, and even develop marketing content. You can create articles reviewing products and earn commissions through affiliate links. Another way is YouTube script writing. Many creators need scripts but don't have time to write them. You can generate ideas and drafts quickly using AI and sell them as services. You can also use it for freelance writing, helping businesses create website content, emails, and marketing copy. 5. Leonardo AI. Create digital assets. The final tool is Leonardo AI, which specializes in creating digital graphics and assets. You can sell these digital assets on online marketplaces used by designers and developers. Another opportunity is creating digital products such as sticker packs, social media graphics, templates, icon sets. These products can be sold multiple times once they're created, making them great for passive income. The truth is, AI is changing how people work online. It's not replacing creativity, it's making it faster and more accessible. The people who learn how to use these tools today will have a huge advantage in the future. Just imagine combining these tools together. ChatGPT writes the script, 11 Labs creates the voiceover, Midjourney generates the visuals, and InVideo turns everything into a complete video. That's basically a full content creation studio powered by AI. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which AI tool you want to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.